Hello and Namaste. Today in this video we are going to cover Unit 12, that is comparison. Dear learners, in this chapter you are going to learn large and small differences, numerical comparisons, comparisons with different tenses. Let us try to understand the given table. We have to use comparative degree to compare the people or things. If there is an immense difference, use the words like much, a lot, far with the comparatives. If there is minimal difference, use the words or phrases like a little, a bit, slightly with the comparatives. You can also use as plus positive degree plus as to express minimal difference. तुलना गर्दा कुनै कुरा अर्को कुरा भन्दा बढी छ भनेर भन्नु पर्यो भने मोर अथवा ड्याश ER को प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ। साधारण भाषामा बुझ्दा दुईवटा व्यक्ति वा वस्तु बीचमा तुलना गर्दाखेरि मोर लगाएर अथवा पोजिटिभ डिग्रीमा ER थपेर तुलना गर्न सकिन्छ। जस्तै he works harder than I do, he speaks more than I do. तर धेरै नै फरक छ भनेर देखाउनु पर्यो भने मोर वा ER भन्दा अगाडि नै अर्थात् पहिल्यै मच, a lot, far आदि शब्दहरू लगाउन सकिन्छ। जस्तै he works much harder than I do, he speaks much more than I do. त्यस्तै तुलना गर्दा निकै कम फरक देखाउनु परेमा a little, a bit, slightly, as, dash, as आदि प्रयोग गर्न सकिन्छ। जस्तै he works a bit harder than I do, he speaks slightly more than I do, I don't work nearly as hard as he does. Now let's dive into exercise 1. Write comparative sentences based on the information below. In each case, write two sentences. Number A, than. Number B, with as dash as. Number 1. Car sales last year in Britain. British cars 38%, foreign cars 62%. Dash a lot. Dash not nearly. ध्यान दिनु होला ब्राकेट भित्र दिएको अर्थात् प्यारेन्थेसिसमा दिएको कुराहरू तपाईले सेन्टेन्स बनाउँदा प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ। So our answer is foreign cars are a lot more popular than British cars. British cars aren't nearly as popular as foreign cars. यहाँ पहिलो उत्तरमा सब्जेक्ट प्लस कम्परेटिभ्स प्लस देन प्लस अब्जेक्टको स्ट्रक्चर प्रयोग भएको छ भने दोस्रोमा चाहिँ ड्याश इज प्लस नट प्लस एज प्लस एक्जेटिभ प्लस एज को स्ट्रक्चर प्रयोग भएको छ। याद गर्नुहोला सब्जेक्ट प्लस कम्परेटिभ्स प्लस देन प्लस अब्जेक्टको स्ट्रक्चरमा सेन्टेन्स बनाउँदा धेरै पर्सेन्टेज भएको वा लार्ज अमाउन्ट भएकोलाई सब्जेक्ट बनाउनु भयो भने तपाईलाई लेख्नमा सजिलो हुनेछ। Now question number 2. Exam marks Jane 75%, Paul 42%. Dash far, dash not nearly. Answers. Jane scores far higher percentage of marks than Paul. Paul didn't score nearly as high percentage of marks as Jane. Question number 3. My house 40,000 pounds, your house 38,500 pounds. Dash slightly, dash almost. Answers. My house cost slightly more than yours. Your house cost almost as much as mine. Question number 4. Dover to London 117 kilometers. Harwich to London 114 kilometers. Dash a little, dash not quite. Answers. Dover London is a little farther than Harwich London. Harwich London is not quite as far as Dover London. Number 5. Yesterday's temperature. Amsterdam 19 degrees. Beirut 30 degrees. Dash considerably. Dash not nearly. Answers. Beirut is considerably hotter place than Amsterdam. Amsterdam is not nearly as hot place as Beirut. Now question number 6. Leeds played 24 matches, won 17. West Ham played 24 matches, won 19. Dash slightly, dash nearly. Answers. West Ham won slightly more matches than Leeds. Leeds won nearly as many matches as West Ham. Number 7. Jane is 16 and a half. Paul 17. Dash a bit, dash not quite. Answers. Paul is a bit older than Jane. Jane is not quite as old as Paul. Number 8. Maths exam 70% failed. History exam 24% failed. Dash much, dash not nearly. Answers. The maths exam was much worse than the history exam. The history exam was not nearly as bad as the maths exam. Now let us move to exercise 2. Compare the prices of the things given as in the example shown below. Steak 5.95 pounds per kilo. Chicken 1.95 pounds per kilo. Number A. Steak is about 3 times as expensive as chicken. Steak is about 3 times the price of chicken. Number B. Steak cost about 3 times as much as chicken. C. Chicken is about a third as expensive as steak. Chicken is about a third the price of steak. उत्तर नम्बर ए मा दुईटा सेन्टेन्स रहेको छ। त्यसैले स्ट्रक्चर पनि दुईटा नै छ। स्ट्रक्चर हेर्दाखेरि हामीले यो स्ट्रक्चर भेटाउन सक्छौं। A is about dash times plus as adjective as plus B. अर्को सेन्टेन्सको स्ट्रक्चर A is about dash times plus the dash of B. याद राख्नु होला A भनेको ठुलो प्राइस भएको कुरा हो भने B भनेको सानो प्राइस भएको कुरा हो। त्यस्तै उत्तर नम्बर 2 को स्ट्रक्चर A cost about dash times as much as B रहेको छ। त्यस्तै एन्सर नम्बर C को स्ट्रक्चरहरु चाहिँ B is about mathematical value plus as adjective as A र अर्को स्ट्रक्चर B is about mathematical value plus the dash of A रहेको छ। यहाँ mathematical value ले फ्र्याक्सनलाई बुझाउँछ, जस्तै 1/3, हाफ एसेट्रा। उत्तर लेख्दा तपाईहरुले एन्सर नम्बर A र एन्सर नम्बर C मा दुईवटा सेन्टेन्स बनाउनु पर्दैन। A मा दुईवटा मध्ये कुनै एउटा स्ट्रक्चर मात्रै प्रयोग गरेर सेन्टेन्स बनाउनुहोस् र C मा पनि दुईवटा मध्ये कुनै एउटा स्ट्रक्चर मात्र प्रयोग गरेर सेन्टेन्स बनाउनुहोस्। Now question number 1. Tinned peas 25 pence, frozen peas 48 pence. Answer number A. Frozen peas are nearly twice as expensive as tinned peas. Number B. Frozen peas cost about twice as much as tinned peas. Number C. Tinned peas cost about a half the price of frozen peas. तपाईलाई सजिलो होस् भनी स्ट्रक्चर भिडियोमा सँगै राखिदिएको छौं। अब अरु प्रश्नहरु पनि आफै सल्भ गर्ने प्रयास गर्नुहोस् है त। क्वेशन नम्बर 2. Cotton seeds 14 pounds, silk seeds 150 pounds. Answers. Silk seeds are about 11 times as expensive as cotton seeds. Silk seeds cost about 11 times as much as cotton seeds. Cotton seeds are about an 11th the price of silk seeds. Question number 3. Olive oil 2 pounds, corn oil 99 pence. Answers. Olive oil is about twice as expensive as corn oil. Olive oil costs about twice as much as corn oil. Corn oil is about half of the price of olive oil. Question number 4. Leather gloves 8 pounds, woolen gloves 2.75 pounds. Answers. Leather gloves are 3 times as expensive as woolen gloves. Leather gloves cost about 3 times as much as woolen gloves. Woolen gloves are about a third the price of leather gloves. Question number 5. Color TV 310 pounds, black and white TV 60 pounds. Answers. Color TV is about 5 times as expensive as black and white TV. Color TV cost about 5 times as much as black and white TV. Black and white TV is about 1/5 the price of color TV. Now next heading, measuring other differences. Write the other nouns in the table. Expensive, price. Similarly, deep, depth, high or tall, height, wide, width, thick, thickness, long, length, heavy, weight, fast, speed. Now, comparisons with different tenses. Change the given sentences into comparative sentences using number A, than, number B, as dash as. Question number 1. The exam is not usually very difficult, but this year it was quite tough. Answer number A. The exam was tougher this year than it usually is. Answer number B. This year the exam wasn't as easy as it usually is. सुरुको सेन्टेन्स एन्सर नम्बर ए मा हेर्नुस् कम्पेरिटिभ्स प्लस देन को स्ट्रक्चर प्रयोग भएको छ भने दोस्रोमा चाहिँ नम्बर बी मा चाहिँ एज प्लस पोजिटिभ डिग्री प्लस एज को स्ट्रक्चर प्रयोग भएको छ. सिमिलरली ट्राई टु डिल विथ अदर सेन्टेन्सेस अर अदर क्वेसन्स एज वेल. तर ध्यान दिनुहोला सेन्टेन्स बनाउने बेलामा टेन्सको पनि एकदमै धेरै ख्याल गर्नुपर्छ है त. क्वेसन नम्बर 2. I had imagined my landlady would be in her 50s, but she turned out to be 30. Answers. Number A. My landlady is younger than I had imagined her to be. Number B. My landlady isn't as old as I have imagined her to be. Question number 3. His parents would like him to work hard, but he doesn't. Answer number A. His parents would like him to work harder than he does. Answer number B. He doesn't work as hard as his parents would like him to do. Question number 4. The washing machine makes a lot of noise, although it used to be fairly quiet. Answer number A. The washing machine is noisier than it used to be. B. The washing machine isn't as quiet as it used to be. Question number 5. You said I would enjoy the film, but in fact I didn't like it much. Answers. Number A. I enjoyed the film less than you said I would do. Number B. I didn't enjoy the film as much as you said I would do. Now question number 6. I had hoped to do quite a lot of work today, but I have only managed to do a little. Answers. Number A. I have done less work today than I had hoped to do. Number B. I haven't done as much work today as I have hoped to do. Question number 7. They could have helped me a lot, but in fact, they hardly helped me at all. Answers. Number A. They helped me far less than they could have done. Number B, they didn't help me as much as they could have done. Question number 8, I hadn't expected her to be very angry, but in fact she was absolutely furious. Answers. Number A, she was much more furious than I had expected her to be. Number B, she wasn't as quiet as I had expected her to be. Question number 9, 50 people had been invited but 80 came. Answers. Number A, far more people came than we had invited. B, people didn't come, as few as we had invited. This much in this video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.